Hello and welcome back. This is Shakir, and today we will see how to report a bug. Okay, so let's move to the support dashboard. Okay, so for example, I was working over here on this project, and I had some earnings over here invoice history. So for example, if I have any issue right here, okay, it's showing me any issue. That means it's not showing me the billable hours of this project or anything. Okay, whatever bug I am having on the support dashboard, what I can do simply, I can raise a bug. That means when you raise a bug, it's actually a support ticket which is sent to the backend team, and they look into that and they fix it accordingly. So what I can do, for example, in the support dashboard, I can go here in the right bottom corner and it will show me report an issue. So I can put over here like for this label or is missing for a project. Okay, I can write like this. This is the heading, and after that I can give a lot of description about the issue that I'm facing, and after that we can attach the screenshots as well and click on submit report. Okay, so this option is available over here in the support dashboard, and it's available in the studio as well. Okay, for example, if we have anything, any issue like we are simply having some model issues or whatever bug we have, we can report that bug over here in the story as well. Put this title description and we can attach a screenshot and submit the report. So this is how the report is submitted and the bug is raised to the technical team, and they accordingly look in the matter and solve that issue. And we can also find this option in the workspace. For example, if we go to workspace, let it load first, and here it's showing me support. If I click on the support, I can over here submit the bug as well. Okay, here we have some multiple options with bug report. Okay, whatever it is, I can put over here the subject, and then I can select it. Is it the bug report or the future feature request? That means you want Drytis engineers to add some feature to the platform. You can select this, and then technical issue or general question. Okay, and after that you have to set the priority, okay, of what which priority it is. Then you can put the description as well, and you can upload the screenshot as well and submit it to the backend team. Once your report is submitted, you will receive the email from the Drytis to the registered email, and once they look into it and they solve your bugs accordingly. So this is how the reporting the bug works. So this is one more short video. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next video. Thank you so much.